let's get back into it. Samsung Galaxy, let's jump right into it. So we have leaks every day. You would think Samsung is paying me, right, for all the promotion I do for them. Now, that's not the case. I don't get paid. They haven't sent me anything. I get called out frequently because when the Pixel 8 series was being launched, I got called out for being a Pixel fanboy. And then I have a feeling that the same thing's going to happen here in this next week or two, or shoot, probably next month, because we're going to be so heavy on Samsung stuff. I'm also going to incorporate everything else in the tech world, but it's Samsung's flagship phone's being launched in a few days, so I'll probably get called out for being a Samsung fanboy. And my answer to that is yes. Not only am I a Samsung fanboy, I am a Pixel fanboy. I am a Nothing Phone 2 fanboy. I'm a fan of all of these devices. Yes, I love them. I love them all. Let's go. Samsung Galaxy. Let me share. Okay, no, I got some clips for you. So check this out. Before we get into the news, so I pulled some clips. We got, as I told you before, these case companies and these screen protector companies get these devices before they're even released, because Samsung, as you know, they have their screen cases, right? Samsung cases, accessories. Well, the aftermarket companies, Samsung wants these aftermarket companies to have accessories ready to go as soon as the device launches. And that's what happens with basically almost every phone. It's just bigger with these flagship devices. So there was a screen protector manufacturer in Asia that has an S24 Ultra, and they did a video of it, and they slapped their screen protector on it and did another video of it, and that leaked just right now. So I was pulling the video. That's why I was late today. I was pulling the video. Let's take a look at it real quick. Here we go. Ready? So that's the S24 Ultra. It has a case on it, and as you can tell, the person shows before and after with the screen protector on it. Now, it's a glass screen protector, and it is a flat display, and they're basically showing the device with always on display and what it looks like with the screen protector on there. It didn't say what company. Look, they actually get in big trouble if Samsung finds out who did this, and they actually might, I'm not gonna like sue them or anything, but they'll basically not send them a device next year, right? Kind of as punishment. But that is your first look. I guess that's the first video in real life video that we have of the S24 Ultra. So. Looks good. Now we got some information on some AI capabilities. It's going to be AI heavy, as everything has been here. It seems like in this last year. Excited. Look, do I use all the AI features on my Pixel 8 Pro? I do not. Will I use all the AI features on my S24 Ultra? I will not.